So Gerrian, we're here this morning in Chippenham at your Rowden Park site with 90 houses, beautiful houses that you're building. Part L is certainly driving the market down the air source heat pump route.
It is.
It's a perfect solution for every new build. I understand all 90 of them have got our Logic Air and pre-plumbed cylinders on.
Yeah, they have, and people are getting used to actually using them, the way they work. We get good reports from our clients who like the product.
So Gerrian, this unit currently is up to speed with a maximum noise decibels of 55. And it's really, really quiet. What's your thoughts
It is
on this?
very, very quiet. It's probably one of the quietest I've heard, and I've heard a few.
The Ideal Logic Air product has been awarded the Quiet Mark, so we are definitely one of the quietest units on the market. And again, proof's in the pudding here, and that's really as loud as it's going to get. That's it.
Look how we come inside. It's
then,
very, very cold outside, and it's beginning to snow.
Yeah, definitely. It's freezing cold outside. The start of the snow is, what, 2 degrees outside at the moment?
Yeah. And it just feels nice. It's not in your face heat. It's a nice, gentle but very warm enclosure that I don't think we're going to go outside for a while. So
no, that's it. As we mentioned, it's 2 degrees and snowing outside, but yet it's 21 degrees in the property at the moment. So it's lovely and comfortable, and no different to having a gas boiler in regards to what it delivers.
there's no differences. The myth that radiators grow tenfold is
it's
absolute
right.
rubbish.
No,
and as you can see there.
Yeah, no, we've got one just behind us there, and it doesn't look out of place at all.
We're using the Logic Air because, one, it's a good looking unit. Two, it works well. We find the heating designs, because they're done in-house, also give us that advantage of there's less third parties. There's no ambiguity, there's no mismatch of product. The unit's easy to operate, easy to site. All the information supplied by Steve and the team has always been very, very good.
From the start of the conversations that I had with Gerrian, we've managed to do the full heating designs for them, which made the plumber's job a lot easier when it comes to installing the unit. There's an outdoor unit, the Logic Air, which is installed with a flow and return pipework, and there's a really simple pre-plumbed, pre-wired cylinder in the airing cupboard. Very much is a fit and forget kind of product. It's a plug and play bit of kit, so it can't be any easier for the installers to use.
Here at Chippenham, we are installing the Logic Air with the pre-plumbed and pre-wired cylinder. From our engineer's point of view, it saves us a lot of time. It's just easy. I can come on site, explain to the engineer, you're plugging in that there, you're plugging in that there, that's it. Everything else is done for you. It communicates with the Halo really, really well. So that's one of the benefits of using the Halo system and not third-party controls. Everything communicates with each other really well. The Halo is a really nice piece of kit as well. It's nice and heavy, easy to use. Once this is complete and once all the settings are in here, the customer doesn't need to touch anything. This cupboard door can stay shut really once the settings are in. What's important to me is support. When you're setting up a heat pump and you need advice, it's really good to have someone on the other end of the line. I found Ideal to be excellent. I can always speak to someone on the other end of the phone. That's really important with any heat pump. It's as important as anything else. The support is absolutely vital, and I think Ideal do really well on their support.
For more information on the Logic Air, please contact your local representative.